Wait.
That I'm in love with you.
You sound too good, man. You look so... Give Jada a round of applause, please. Doesn't she look amazing? We miss you. Jamaica miss you. Jamaica love you. You know that already.
Love Jamaica, come here.
But before, you have to sing that verse there again because you represent for the bad girl them, the good girl them, every girl.
Okay.
Go. Yeah.
Yeah. Twinkle. Like you remember me did warn you about a cookie, yeah? And me did tell you this is something you're ready for. Me like a temper man, you're different, you're not regular. I would tell you, say, me look man, you press trigger. Look at me, baby, if I tell you, say, you are my first love, would you believe? Me, I'm give it to you, cause you saved me from the streets. Well, life will be without you, can't begin to imagine. I'll if you make me doubt you, me just feel me, I go love you. Same way, let's get married, don't know in the place. X 10 years to our with the same place. Now I tell you, this type of love, my exchange. Respect it to the fullest, now I make you been away. My heart I yearn, you already know that. Fight for you like the Navy, I'm your little soldier. You give me everything you want, but you never come and fall in love again. Tell me yours enough, that I'm in love with you, girl. I've been racing, I've been waiting, just that baby. I'll be yours enough, that I'm in love with you. I've been racing, I've been waiting, just to see you.
Jada, I watch you. And against the man thing. You captain in charge of my thing. I mean, say my no blood, oh me for let you go. Yeah, my mind on me heart, me up for make you know.
Close my eyes so I can see you in the darkness. So would you love me still, baby boy, regardless? Till I open to us.
Cause they need to. And I'm in love with you, girl.
I'll be racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, this I'll be yours enough. I'm in love with you. I've been racing, I've been waiting
just to see you. Jada, I'm writing you this letter. Girl, you make me better. I need you forever.
Yes, sir.
Girl, you are my Jada, watch out, watch out, me say. Writing you this letter. Reggae Sumfest. It doesn't look easy enough to know.
Thank you so much.
And I'm in love with you. Yeah,
I've been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Cause baby,
Cause yours enough.
cause baby,
I'm in love with you. I've been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Reggae Sumfest! What? Come on! Let me see the hustle of them gosso now. Gosso, 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 gosso. Gosso, gosso, rough cut anytime now. My prayer every time you feel can't do no different. Swear me out for win. That's why I'ma try again. Every time I feel, cause God always a listen.
you some cool night.
Day I have to win.
Some cool night.
That's why I'ma try again.
Talk to them.
Level, 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 level. My prayer every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me out for win. That's why I'ma try again. Prayer every time I feel, cause God always a listen. One day I have to win. That's why I'ma try again. Trust me, Tanisha first daughter. When me just start, me used to hear real laughter. But you me know say a time of the master. And everything was him going to me go after. You see the breed, that's why every day my OD. Just like it's a girl from the east with a dream. I shoot for it up and make up. Every time I feel, can't do no different. Swear me out for win. That's why I try again. Every myself, some I don't good enough. Still I move on and but even when I try to stay out the way, crosses them want see me pray. Them not a live for see the day. Level, you me been through enough, so please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get on. Been through enough, so please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get. But them I've been through enough. Please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get. But them I've been through enough. Please follow me. Can't turn to nobody. Every time I feel can't do no good. Swear me up with. That's what I feel. Every time I feel like that always a little. Take your hands away.
You can't do one, sir. You cannot do one, sir. She can't do one, sir. Go. She have to do something else, man. Go on, man.
Wait, are you sound go? Heavy. You know I'm heavy, 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 yeah. And them mother got no ready, ready. Oh, we are go. We are go. You know and them mother got no. I know you see this book. Better brace yourself with me. And the old spend the body, they are going to sell it. Give my kilogram, boom, boom, and it's tight till it frees up the love, till it don't free the way, boss. Oh, you people tell me so you can't let it up. Coming like you're not drink no peanut fun. So try don't panic, first you will talk like make your mom mention me. Your book how we are done.
Like we Chevy, next to bedroom, sex expensive, heavy, what she said, sexy,
We know I'm heavy, 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 yeah. I tell my daughter. I know you see this bumper.
yeah.
Caution sign, cause moving. Better brace yourself with me. As my bumper.
Reggae Sumfest. You don't love it, Jada, no. What the name of the artist?
I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle.
Yeah.
I'm here looking at the crowd and I like how the ladies them look. When you look like you know I get sex right and that's good. Congratulations to the man them clap on yourself. But one thing I know, good pum pum madman right through though. Cause I put it down on the we ain't got nothing in righty. My pum pum turn good boy now. And now I got some face. Twinkle. I put it down on the we ain't got nothing in the pum pum turn good boy now. And now I got good booty problems. But with somebody could I want me. Don't send that text when you going regret it. Yeah, level. Yeah, man, now you no stop text me, you no stop call me. The man I run me down and I stop me too regularly. Tell you don't text, call me. And I'm so sorry, cause me never want nobody just so special, you was just another plaything. See you excited, but for tell you the truth, I was faking, grip driving crazy. But I'm not your lady, intoxicated of the rum that don't play me. No, 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 me never plan for this. God know me, always just mind my damn business. And me not feel bad when I respond. Usually me not give a damn, but me give one. I don't mean that. Oh, him look like he just I put it down on the wall. We ain't got nothing. For true. Your pum pum ton good boy, you know. And now she got goody problems. Sumfest. I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle. Love you guys.
Reggae Sumfest. Make some noise for Diani and Jada Kingdom. No man, little more than that, man. Them go out with themselves, man. Mr. Jada outfit.